In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Auto Layout Figma Auto Layout Grid. Let's get started by opening your design. With your canvas visible, we'll use Auto Layout to make your content consistent, flexible, and easier to update. Select the layers you want to organize. Then press Shift+A. Figma wraps those layers in a frame with Auto Layout applied, giving you a structured container that manages spacing and alignment for you. This is the foundation that keeps elements evenly spaced and responsive as you edit. Look to the Auto Layout panel in the right sidebar. First, choose the direction: horizontal for rows or vertical for stacks. Then adjust the item spacing, often called the gap, to control how much space sits between each layer. Set your padding to define the breathing room inside the frame's edges. This ensures your content doesn't stick to the borders and stays visually balanced. Next, fine-tune alignment. Decide where items should sit within the frame: top left, centered, or another option so everything lines up exactly the way you want. Alignment here affects the child layers as a group, helping you keep headings, buttons, and icons neatly arranged without manual nudging. For responsive behavior, set resizing on both the frame and its children. Use fixed width or height when you need strict dimensions. Choose hug contents when the frame should shrink or expand to match what's inside. Perfect for labels or tags. And select fill container when an element should stretch to use the available space, which is great for flexible layouts that adapt to different screen sizes. If you ever need to revert a frame back to a regular one, remove Auto Layout by clicking the minus icon next to Auto Layout in the sidebar. Or right-click the frame and select Remove Auto Layout. This keeps your workflow flexible without losing your content. Now let's use the Layout Grid to complement Auto Layout. Select a frame. Go to the Layout section in the right sidebar and choose the Grid option. Configure the number of rows and columns and set the gaps between them to establish a clear rhythm for your design. For responsive grids, set items within the grid to fill, so they automatically resize as the frame or grid changes. You can also customize individual row or column sizes directly on the canvas by hovering over the frame and dragging the blue dots that appear. This gives you precise control over proportions while keeping the overall grid intact. That's it. Thanks for watching.